We're here in Manchester. We went to the football museum. We also had some free time around Manchester. We went to the Christmas markets. We went shopping, and we also had a nice dinner in this beautiful establishment. And we also got a gift card off Communities First, and yeah, we're really happy with that. And after this, we're going to Runcorn to watch a doorstep sports session.
Thanks, Carwyn.
What I enjoy most about volunteering is teaching all the new kids, the kids that come to youth club, different doorstep sports that they can do.
Thanks, Ryan.
I feel a sense of joy when I volunteer because I love seeing the kids happy, and it's really keeping them fit and off the streets so they're not doing antisocial stuff.
Thanks, Carwyn.
What are the benefits to me, to the community when I volunteer? It keeps kids off the street, gives them something to do. Obviously, if they enjoy it enough, they're going to come back.
Brilliant. Thanks, Mike.
The main reason I volunteer is because I enjoy helping out in the community, maybe changing a kid's life, maybe just giving them that boost in anything.
Thanks, Al.
And yeah.
Volunteering has helped me get a job by giving me some self-confidence, and I'm actually helping me find a job with them as well.
Thanks, Joe. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
Thank you.